Hey everybody, Bo here, giving an update on our 6x14 cargo trailer conversion, Rolling Thunder, cabin on wheels. Welcome to my office, my mobile office. Anyway, got some shelving and some ballast done over here. These are unfinished. Haven't decided how I'm gonna do them. I may just clear coat them. I'm gonna do a sample, see how that turns out. All the lighting's in. We're on a solar panel, 100-watt solar panel. I've been running it during the day while I've been working on it, and power has not been an issue, and I only have one battery. So plan is to get two batteries in the future, but you have to have two brand new batteries. They have to be the same amp hour, everything, to hook them together. So since my battery's a year old, I can't do anything because they have to be brand new together. So we're running off one battery. It's working out well. Put in these lights, these switches. They light up when they're on. 4 in the main. And then over on the bed, I put these. And that's working out well. So we also have USB ports here and here. There'll be one in the back and one over here. The stereo's in, so we've got tunes. You gotta like that. So that's good. And the best thing is these LED lights. So I'm gonna put more of them in. These are strip LEDs, and the reason I like these the most is because they have a white, but then they also do different colors, which is great. St. Patrick's Day. I like the blues are my favorites. I also like the goldens. And but the white's great, and they're very bright. That's the best part about them, is they are bright, but you can dim them down and dim them up. The remote works really well with them. I was going to put them on a switch, but the remote works. I'm just going to put a little Velcro on it, put it right here. I'm also thinking about putting a strip under here and a strip under there. I think that'll look great. And then there'll be some in the back. The back isn't finished yet. We're going to do cabinets across the top, a little bit of shelving on the side. Haven't quite worked that out. Took me forever to figure this out. This has to be finished yet across here with a shelf up there. And then we're pretty much there. And then we got to figure out on the staining of this. Oh, also this little fireplace is working out great. I like it even when you don't turn it on. I like the ambiance of it. But that's on AC power. Everything else we're running off of DC. So this is running off of the house right now. Once I get the last plug in, then I can power up the trailer on AC power as well. So then all the plugs will go live, and I can just plug that in there. So the plan is when we have shore power, we can use that as a heater. When we don't have shore power, we'll use a Buddy heater, Mr. Buddy, on propane. And that'll be mounted up in the front here, along with this. And then the microwave, I was hesitant on, but I figured, well, that would be great to have. So if we do have shore power, we can do the microwave. So that's going to go right here, and then another port over here. And then hopefully a couch of some sort, but everything is too big. This is 6x14, looks a lot bigger on camera than it actually is. It's perfect size for us, but the main thing was that I can pull it. And I can pull this. We'll find out when we hook it up. The tongue weight's going to be an issue. We also got the ceiling fan, this fantastic fan, Dynamite. So that's our air conditioning. Being in Colorado, main thing is a lot of the trips are to the higher elevations, so we're always avoiding the heat. So that works out really well. So that'll be perfect. And then with the heaters, that's all we need. I'm not an air conditioning person, and I don't plan on going down into the desert when it's 110 anyway. So I wanted to give you an update. Hope you're enjoying these. I know when I was planning this out, I don't know if you've heard this story before, but it was a teardrop. I got so excited about building a teardrop. But then I realized, do have the skills. It's going to look like crap. will I even pass inspection to get it on the road? So that's when we came up with a cargo trailer. And then weight-wise, this empty is about 1,500, and I figure I'll add about 600 pounds to it. That'll put me in the low 2,200, and I'm rated at 27 to 35 on my vehicle. So we'll see. The big thing is going to be the tongue weight, and that's why I went unfinished. I wanted to put this this barnwood paneling on there. I thought that would look good, but it's just too much added weight, so as light as I can keep it. This is pine, really light. This is pallet wood, really light, and I can't wait to paint it and see how that turns out. And then the table is going to go up, and who knows, I may have to build something for here. And then we are there, and the adventure will start. So I hope you're enjoying these videos. Thank you for following along. If you got any questions, please leave them below. Any comments, love to hear them. And please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying these videos. And I hope it's sparking some ideas for you on what you might be able to do. And like I always say, if I can do it, you can definitely do it better. That's why we went cabin on wheels, rustic, because I knew my skills were limited. And that's why I had to go with my limited skills, which would be rustic cabin. So there you have it. Hey, thanks for following along, and till next time, see ya!